So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the last part of this footage or of this advanced clean date. Okay, so let's start our video. And before starting this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai MERA, BAJRANGBALI. Now, so in the third part, I have shown you how to use double projection method to do advanced cleanup work. So in this video, I am going to. I hope this is will be the last part. So let's start our video and let's correct the all the things. Okay, so our last part was this. Now in this video I will try to solve all the areas. So basically before this I just going to check all the thing properly. Now see, all this part was there. See, there is some kind of jitterment, I mean jitter. So let's start from here. So let's take a corner pin from here. Okay, and this is our grounder area, right? So let's start and just disable this. Now fix the corner pin, and now just on this, and after this just go to from copy to and corner pin and just view this. After this just let's fix. Now I need to go the frame in 108, right? But in this case I think I need to check 100. Yes, this is 100, right? Frame 100. So maybe I will go like in this frame 100, then let me check the thing. Okay, so it's 30, right? So let me do one thing, let me check like this only. So let me go to 100. So there is also a g-term, right? If I go to 108, it's look like a fine, but some issue is there. So maybe 108 is looking better for me. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me just go to fast frame and let me check again. Okay, so I think 108 is better for me. So let keep a keyframe here, and after this just go to fast frame, and now I'll try to solve the area like this. So just give it here and just give it to here. Okay, there is some jitter, I mean some cache issue maybe. So let on this. So there is some caching issue. Okay, so don't do. So do one thing, just keep it here and just I will off this one and just view this one. Okay, now this is I got. So maybe okay, it's look fine, but in this case it's not look fine. Let's shift it here. Just do it properly. Okay, let it be. Okay, just do it from properly. Okay, so some paint issue is there. So might be I will do what? I will take the camera from here, or if I just take the camera from here, then I need to do something. So what I'll do, if I view the shot and I will try to check once. Okay, so I think I have the camera. Okay, I have this setup, right? So if I just go to view this setup, and there I will get this card. So if you guys have the thing already like camera, okay, then try to, but in this case I will take one axis point, right? I'll take one axis and right click and just create one axis from here. I'm taking this axis. After this what I'll do, I will take the camera, I will take this camera only, first one, and just disable this also for now. Or you need to don't, you need to just disable this, just take these things. Okay, and after this what I'll do, I will take here a car 3D node. Okay, after this just you just give the camera. I already showed how to use this roto in the previous video. Okay, give the axis to axis and take a roto here and take this image to image and take a just merge v pipe here and your a pipe on the raw footage DNS. For now I'm offing the DNS, right? Now view this, and I will just do a roto here. Okay, but my roto is here. So what I'll do now, see, when I'm selecting it's not selected, right? Because of the card. So basically what can I do, just give this to. Now I have this, so let me fix the card to here. Okay, and if I just see, it's not going right. So what I'll do, I can do one thing, but just let me check. Okay, it cannot select it. So if I just hit tab and go to this, I have this. Okay, so might be I have this axis. Okay, now if I just try to move by here, so if I just go to the card and just on this uniform scale, I hope it will work. But in this case it is not working properly. That's the thing. So what you need to do, just try to rotate the camera also. Just use this and try to do some here. Now I have this roto, right? Now just do a roto properly, like this and like this. So we have to use multiple technique as I told earlier. Like this I have done. Now I have to check, right? I think it will work or not, but let me check. It is working. It is working. It is working actually. But the thing is, it getting some mistrack, right? That's the issue. Okay, so we don't need this. Okay, so let me do what I have this camera, right? So we can do another technique. So there is also one node called reconcile 3D you guys can use. So let's check this camera and take one reconcile 3D. But for that also I need to that axis. So just hit Ctrl Z for once and just take this and type here reconcile 3D and just hit camera axis. Keep this here and keep this keyframe into to global and just okay. Now take a track here, just add a track and go to the console 3D, just right click here, copy animation and just go to your track, right click here, paste F0. Now on all these things. Okay, after this go to transform and give this match move and the set key here. Now I have this, right? So I have this track, right? This tracking data. Using this tracking data I can do multiple things, right? Take a key mix here and just give the a pipe. Sorry, don't give the a pipe here. Just take here one postage stamp and connect this postage stamp directly to your denoise. Okay, after this just keep this a pipe here and b pipe to a shot and just keep this mask in tracker and give one roto here, just sit and just keep the roto. I mean just do the roto, right? Now I have this. So before that let me do one thing. Okay, let me keep this aside and just take a march and give this a and give this b for checking purpose and just let me check here. It's okay, it's okay. And now here I have to manage. So first do the roto properly, then just do the thing. Okay, okay, it's look like fine. That's it. And just if I view this here and after before track just do just give a blur and just this and after this if I check properly then you have to do one thing, just give this inverted alpha. I mean you have to inverted the alpha, right? And just okay, so let me copy RGBA and I have this tracker, right? But I would prefer just put a inverted from after the tracker, then your alpha will be fine. Write this and got it, right? So this alpha and just inverted it. Now we have to check properly. In that way what happened now, in that way we're revealing everything except our the area which we don't want. Like if I painted this area for example, then I just inverted the alpha, so it will cover up everything. I mean it will reveal everything except my masking area which I don't want, right? And it's a good process. That's the thing. Now give here a dot node and just go to and hide input. Now we have this output, right? After this we have to do what, we have this, right? Already we have this much area, so don't need to face any issue. So let's do one thing. We have this area, right? So we have this area and we have this area, right? So let's take a shuffle here and just give it all RGBA. We have this alpha, right? And just take a task grain here, just go to this com plate, will be my denoise plate, sorry. Now we have to take the original plate here. In this case, keep the original plate here. T green plate should be a denoise because this is a post test time and I connected it directly to my denoise, right? And give this mask to mask and just view this, and after this just go to this, use external grain on, activate on. Don't use external grain for now of this, just on this option, and just give this analyze. And but before this, just go to replace and place this a proper area, so you guys can take this area like this. After this, just analyze. Okay, so it will do a proper gain setup. Now after this, let's take here a crop and give this reformat and just take a right, and I will prefer to take a RGB and just render it in EXR. So I'm not rendering for now, okay, because we maybe have some issue and we need to fix. So what might be the issue and what we need to fix, I'm telling basically. So I have this overall, right, and I have this all the thing covered up. So let me go to the whole shot. So if I just view this whole shot, now see it's too much work, fine, right? See, just little bit correction we have faced, little bit, just little bit, right? But nothing, this is nothing longer, because this is because of, if I just go to the fast thing and just view this, so there is a plate issue, right? That's the issue. So if I just fix this area, like this area, and if I just go here like this, nothing we have to do. I have corner pin, might be we can take a grid wrap. I'm just showing for now here, okay? In once I am showing for now, I'm not showing here this area, okay? Same thing just we need to do in this case, okay? So just take a grid wrapper after the corner pin, or you guys can take the grid wrap in the card also if you just want, before the card, I mean here after pre-multi you guys can take, okay? I'm taking the afterwise, okay? So just take this and just connect this, okay, and give it from source. Now adjust it overall. After adjusting, just copy this, give this to source wrap, and just copy this and paste it here. And after this, just we need to fix, like in this case, in 108 it is fixed, right? Already fixed, like this, like this. See, if I view this, right, in this case I'm going to hit a plus here, like keyframe, and rest of the part I have to fix it manually, right? 50, if I go to 50, now I have to fix manually. See, right here, for example, just here I can fix it, right? This, now see, it's matching, it's doing matching, right? Now it's matched, right? Same thing for here also, it's matched, this area and now this area. So that's the thing, nothing else, okay? That's the thing we need to fix, right? So that's the thing we need to fix, right? By this way we can fix it, right? Now if you just want, just hold Control Alt and give the pipe here, just hit here one, just add a line and do the thing like this. But I mean, just take a multiple thing and try it, okay? So you need to fix the just thing only, right? Just you have to fix this for same, this take a line here and just then just do properly, right? So we have to play like this only, taking a multiple things, right? Okay, there's a thing we have to take. See, it's matching, right? See, now it's getting more closer to it, right? And here also same thing, just we need to take another line here, and here we have to take multiple things. So you need to play with grid wrap, corner pin, that's the thing, okay? All the thing I can take. See here once, see this line, right? And it's a, don't worry, it's a paint issue, nothing else. See, after this already we are revealing everything, right? After this, if we see here, then see now that already many things are fixing, right? See, if I just off this, see, all the thing is fixing here, right? And also, if you guys facing this issue like this, like if you guys facing this schemic issue, then just hit and just see the thing. So I hope just we have to fix the rotor like this. See, for example, if I view this here and if I just put the rotor here like this and it, okay, don't put too much keyframe here in the roto. Okay, don't put too much keyframe. If I go to dope sheet and just delete this keyframe, okay, just delete this keyframe. Okay, go to notepad and just keep the roto here down. Try to keep the roto properly, that's the main thing. Like this and like this. Okay, and obviously give it multi-frame on. Just give some blur and also keep the blur little bit higher. So see, all the thing will be fine like this way. In this case, just roto issue is there, don't worry. And might be some thing like paint prep issue. If I just view this here from, see, it is here. Okay, so if I check this here, now it's a little bit, might be some corner pin issue or okay here. Okay, here is a cut, right? So might be the issue is, if I just increase the overscan a little bit, this scan line, might be some caching issue is there. Okay, just let me off this option. Okay, and just, I think might be some scan line issue. Okay, just let me take one new scan line here and little bit, see, it's not working, right? So might be some jitter issue. Okay, is there some jitter issue, might be is there. Okay, because of can, because it's getting a very heavy script actually, so might be some issue is there, but don't worry. Okay, it will fix, it gonna fix, right? So might be, if not needed, then just take a corner pin and just like this also gonna work right this way, right? See, now it's not working. If I put this, now it's not working, so it's taking jitter, right? Actually it's a jitter. Okay, actually it's a jitter. So let me reopen this script once. See, I reopen, see. Okay, after reopening this, see, the script is getting this, right? It's a caching issue. So let me stop, let me off my nuke and let me restart the nuke for once. So now see, it's, I have opened the script. Now just go to scanline for once, and if I just see, now the overscan is working, right? But in this case there is some card issue also, I think. So let me check once the card. Okay, let me down update this one. So same thing, it's a just issue for some little bit corner pin issue I need to fix, that's it. Okay, now the thing is, I need to check once again and I need to fix all the thing, right? This one, as I told you earlier, right? Using corner pin, using grid wrap, that's the issue. If I use some corner pin also, then many of the issue will be fixes, right? Like this. Same thing, we can take a grid wrap and just fix the issue, but in this case, just let me check here. See, only this thing, right? So nothing else, just take a grid wrap from here also, I am showing it here also. Okay, or might be I don't take a grid wrap for now, I just showing by this issue is there, so just take it properly like this. See, already it's fixing, right? So same thing, just grid wrap, same for same thing for just, you see, already solving, right? See, already solving, just grid wrap. And obviously one thing I need to tell you guys, that you have to go pay, become a good paint web. See, this line is coming, right? So you need to fix this line also. Okay, that's the thing. And how do you fix? If I check it here, just do one thing, just view this and see if this line is here. Just, you have to do a prepare paint web. Like if I just view this paint web work, see, there is a no line, right? But here I get a line. So in this case, you guys do many things, like many things you guys can do. For example, just I'm showing, for example, if you guys just want this line, just nothing else, you can take a roto here, and just if I view this here, okay, and this line I want basically, so I have missing this line, right? So for example, I'm showing roughly, just go to this, and after this, just view this. For example, I will just take a one open spline here. This is a cheating purpose, guys. Okay, so just take open spline here. Okay, just one and two. After this, take this and like this. Now view this roto. I have this edge. Take a grade node here, minus this line, right? See, so it's a cheating purpose. Okay, so like this, guys, you can do, right? Like this cheating purpose, and let me some fix some issue. Like this, you guys can do some cheating purpose, right? Here, see, I'm getting this line, but nobody catch, right? That's the thing, just do it properly, or you guys can fix it right here also. If I just take here and just take this line, okay, and just place it properly, right? Because I have done it previously, so during the card I need to match it here. That's the thing, use your shortcut key, number lock arrow keys, and I think it will be fixed, right? Like this, you guys can do some cheating thing, right? Like here, like here only you guys can do some cheating thing. Better to use shortcut key to manage. Like these only you guys can use some cheating purpose. See, it's matched, right? It's matched. And also if you want, then just keep some blur here and little bit increase the blur, like this. How it's cool, right? So there's the thing, guys. There's a cheating purpose, okay? There's a cheating purpose, okay? And in paintbrush we can do multiple cheat, right? So there's a thing using advanced clean pad, and I already show this. And just this purpose, same thing I just need to tell you guys again and again. Just use the proper thing, okay? Use the proper thing. And this is happening because of grid wrap. If you guys fix the plate from here only, for example, just take this, for example I'm showing, just if I take this area and just little bit side it here, see, it's solved, right? But that's it. See, it's solved. How much it's good, right? So just you need to fix this properly and nothing else. You need to fix this patch properly using grid wrap, using multiple things which I'm showing, right? See, all the thing is working fine. See, like these only you have to fix. After doing all the things, also after doing all the this cleanup works, also you guys can fix using 1 and 2 by checking and checking, right? See this area. What I have to do in this case, just need to take a grid wrap here and just need to arrange like this only, nothing else. See, also if you guys are facing some color issue, as I told you earlier, just using this primer, because you don't need this only, because I have just doing this using this marker, I mean just this line, okay, to create this line. And also you have to maintain the blurriness, okay. If you guys need to animate this blur, then just right click and set key and animate the blur properly with using your scan, I mean matching to your scan. And same the color issue is there. If you just use color, then just go pre-mult, or after pre-mult also you guys can do, or also before pre-mult also you guys can do like this. So before pre-mult also you guys can do, or after pre-mult also you guys can do the thing, right? This, if you guys want to use, right? That's not a big deal to not to use, okay. See, just rough purpose I'm showing, right? So that's the thing, okay. So don't worry about this, and I hope no color issue is there. Just you need to match the, I mean match the corner pin properly. So after this, if I just save it properly and go to this, and just let me delete this all the thing and just take the roto here, and my roto is fine actually for now. If I go to 100 number frame, and if I just view this, okay, I hope the roto is also fine. Just view this properly and just hit F to fit to screen, or just play the footage properly. So this is our actual thing, okay, actual paint prep work, advanced clean prep work. So I hope guys you like this video useful, and you guys find the all the part and all the previous series, I mean all the series related to this clean plate and advanced cleanup box find useful, and learn many more things, okay. Like how to fix tracker, how to fix your edges, or how to fix the plate, okay, how to create a clean plate properly, how to adjust grid wrap, how to use corner pin, where to use corner pin, where to use grid wrap, how to do some cheat process, right, using rotos and grade, okay. Like this you guys find very useful. If you guys useful find this useful video, then just please I request to share this video with others and let everyone to learn this technique, okay. Because I am just recently just showcasing this advanced work, because in most of the videos I am trying to showcase some node based work, okay, only some special nodes, okay. But in this case I used most of the nodes whichever is possible to use. See, there is some jitterment issue, okay, not always because of schematics. If I just off the schematics and just view it here from here, now see there no issue, right? See, the issue is there for the grid wrap issue. So if I also off the grid wrap, then no issue will be there. See, like this issue is there, right? And if I also on the corner pin issue, I mean for the corner pin or off the schematics and just off this grid wrap, also there will be no issue. Like it's because for animation, because you have to fix this animation, right? That's the thing, guys. So please watch this video properly, animate all the thing properly, adjust all the thing properly, go frame by frame, check frame by frame, like this. Like see, now it's all because, but if I do 1 and 2, it will be getting some issue, I will get some issue, and I need to solve that issue using grid tap, right? So that's the thing, don't use too much keyframe, okay, try to use less keyframe and proper animation, right? Okay, smooth animation. So that's the thing of the advanced clipboard. I am not showing and not continuing the short for long, okay. So it is the last part of this short and of this video. So just use all this technique, all the process, and many more things you guys can use for this shot. Okay, but as much as possible I try to use much of the notes here. Okay, and try to showcasing you the shots, and using this technique only you guys can build your best shot, right? And using these nodes you guys can fully complete your shots. Okay, because these nodes are used in production houses. Okay, and these nodes are most common in production houses. See. Okay, so this is a showcasing work. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video and all the part of this video. So if you guys like this video, please share this video with others and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you before this in ending this video. As I said to everyone, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Mera Baba Bajrangbali.